we gonna make rice?
Usually, Japanese people use the rice cooker, but you can make it in the iron pot as well.
Alright, let's get started.
You need to wash the rice to get rid of the rice bran. But in Musenmai case, it has already been removed, so you just add water. Keep the ratio no matter which country's cup is used. Cover and stir on medium low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove from the heat and let stand for 10 minutes more. Never open the lid to steam rice well. All down. Enjoy your day.
うまい。
最後まで見てくれてありがとうございます。チャンネル登録、ベッドボタンよろしくお願いします。それではまた次回会います。See you next time. バイバイ。